resource room, a room filled with resources for all kinds of visual arts, crafts, jewelry, you name it, and you get all kinds of resources. Here is Orion, a space to sit and set up our spaces for doing all kinds of art and craft works. Mud house named Harmantias. Here room is filled with resources that we can use and explore for all kinds of make and break. Carpentry, plumbing, electrical works, outdoor gardening works, construction works. So anything you name it, you can come and do and explore here. This is dome called Apollo, a room filled with games, all kinds of board games to explore world, to explore playing, to explore logical thinking, to word games, number games, any kind of games where you want to sit and play around, you have all kinds of games here. Hey, here we go. This is Athena Abbas Library, where the library is filled with books of all kinds, all categories. It could be adventure or comic or law, wisdom, art, any kind of books, you name it, you find all kinds of categories. This is Artemis, a space for community sessions where we all meet, connect, and plan our day and reflect our day. And also, we do have some tools for exploring during the sessions and also the other time. Hey, this is Acropolis, room for all kinds of musical exploration and have a self time and also for some of the sessions, musical sessions.
Okay, this area is Nectar. We usually sit here together to have food, and also there will be small meetings that happen here. We have a small herbal garden here around where we grow the herbs and we use in our daily cooking. Hi, welcome to Ambrosia. This is the place where the cooking happens. This is our veg section, and here we have the non-veg section too. Here, where both the cooking happens. And when you come over here, you can see the lunch plates and dinner plates here. The breakfast plates are here, and you can see the small bowls, mugs, and glasses here, and spoons here. See that you are not taking the personal mugs, and you are taking the common mugs here. Also, there will be food placed here with the quantity written. Please take the food as per that. And there's a cleanup chart written here. Please go over this. Whenever you see your name is there, please come for the cleanup. And this is a meal board. So whenever you're not comfortable with something, some meals, please connect with kitchen manager so that alternative arrangements can be made. So we will go to see the cleanup, how we do the cleanup. So first you have to use the necessary dustbin. We have a cooked this dustbin here, food waste. We have other dustbins placed over this side. Please see this and use the appropriate dustbin. When you come here, please see that you are putting over the mug of a water into your plate and then using the soap nut to scrub properly. When you scrub it, then you come to the first level of dip and then the second level of dip. Please read over these instructions before you go ahead with the cleaning the plates. If you need more support, please connect with kitchen manager. Welcome to Amra. This is our stay and living space. These are the places where you can keep your luggages and the beds are here. This is also the place for luggages. Make sure you keep your shoes inside this down parts. Set up your bed and however the bed is set while you are going, please clean it up as well. We are not supposed to bring any snacks or food particles here because of the ants. And this is Nimbus and the mobile charging station. The direct current charging station is available 24 hours and this charging is available only when the UPS is on. So let's go to Hydra. So this space is called Hydra. This is a dry molting room, that's a dry changing room. we have here. So here we have Indian and Western toilets, and the left side is the bathrooms. Behind the bathrooms are the dry toilets. Please see the codes before using. And right side is a susu part. It's a men's urinal. Please pump the water for your bathing purposes and washing and any other purposes you need. Please ensure you're pumping the waters. Hello guys, this whole building is called Penumbra and this balcony is called Gynamed. We do small meetings here, and inside this Penumbra there is Europa, Callisto and Low Room. Okay, the Callisto is mainly for the digital work where we do our systems work or any other related works, and the Europa is there is a small library inside as well as the bedding place and also the working place. The low room is basically a stay room.